I know some of you are going to be sad, but we are now on Excel Expert Lesson 6, the 10th and final lesson. This is the last one. I know this is depressing for some of you, but we're going to try and get through it. So, when I open this, it says to click Enable Content button. Mine didn't say that. I had issues. I'll be honest, this is the second time I tried to do this stupid final project, and it was messing up. So I don't know why it didn't say enable content, but I'm going to try this again. It says select cell A5 to D13. On the View tab, in the Macros group, click Macros. Select the macro listed and then click Run. If necessary, click any blank cell away from this cell range to see the results of this macro. So you can see that it changed this. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Open the Hawaiian Adventure Workbook from your Resources folder. Never used that before. It's a new day. Alright. On the Developer tab, in the Group Code, click Visual Basic. If necessary, click View and then click Project Explorer to ensure the pane is displayed on the left side of the window. Well, mine already has this, so if you don't have this, you need to click View and then Project Explorer. If necessary, click the Open Tree plus icon at the VBA project. So mine, you can see all of my stuff. So let me move this over a little bit. So it's talking about there would be a plus here, but you see that I don't need to click that because mine's already done. So double click Module 1 under the Romance at Sea to open that window, which mine was already open, but click the Module 1 under the Romance at Sea and drag it to the Hawaiian Adventure. So I'm going to left click with my mouse and drag this up here and put it in the Hawaiian one. Click the Open Tree icon for that new modules, and then we're going to double click this module 1 to view its contents. An identical copy of the macro is now in the Hawaiian Adventures workbook. In the Visual Basic for Applications window, click File and close and return to Microsoft Excel. Mark that as answered. Go to the next step. With the Hawaiian Adventure Workbook as the active workbook, so Hawaiian Adventure, click File, Save As, go to your My Projects folder. In the Save As page, click the Save As type and select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook and then click Save. Mark that as answered. Close all worksheets without saving any changes. Open the Hawaiian Adventure Workbook from My Project folder. Click Enable Content to enable the macro, which once again it didn't let me do that, so I'm not sure what's going on. Select A5 to D22. Click the View tab, Macros, View Macros, Click Run. Work this time. Click any blank cell away from the cell range to see the results of the macro. This screen should look similar to the following example. I'm getting a little excited. Submit. Drum roll. It did it. 4 correct marks. So this completes copying macros among worksheets, and it also, happy day, completes Excel Expert. Congratulations, we made it.